North Oaks Dental Westland serves patients of all ages and all stages of life. So as a family dental office, we try to, our patients long-term and watch them grow and see how they transform over the years. And as a family dentist, I think it's important to have the whole family established at the office. I think everybody being at one dental office just creates a really homey environment for everyone, and that's what draws people to come back to you, because you're that familiar person. You're that person that gets to watch them grow. You're the person that they see every 6 months or whatever it may be. So they know you, and the whole family knows you. So it's important for the whole family to be there, and for them to establish that kind of environment in your office, because that way that's how friends and family get involved, and that's how we get to watch our office just have a bunch of familiar faces for the rest of our career. With building long-term relationships with families over the years, it's not an easy task. I think that's where the concept of trust really comes into play, because if people trust you, they're going to refer their family to you, they're going to refer their friends to you, and that's when you're going to build that community of people that are familiar to you. But if you don't have that trust aspect, you're not going to have anything. If people don't trust you, they're not going to refer their family and friends to you. So I think that's the biggest part. Showing your results is also another thing, showing people that you do good work and that their family trusts you and whatnot. But I think the most important thing is just building that foundation and building that trust and having the patient be as comfortable as possible that they can with you, and that's how you create that family environment. North Oaks Dental Westland handles all the needs that a family brings by creating an environment where the general dentist can do a number of procedures where they don't have to refer the patient out to a pediatric office or an oral surgeon's office or whatever we refer to. We try to keep everything in-house, and we try to keep the patients, with a provider in our office, so that way, the general dentist knows the records, and we don't have to send you out somewhere and have to wait for the referral reports and stuff. So we like to keep everything in-house, and we like to show our patients that in-house is better, because we know the referral, and we get to communicate directly with the other doctors, and there's no miscommunications and there's no mistakes that happen. Being a home for the whole dental family is very important, because we see kids of all ages from when they're young until they get older. And I think it's very important to find a dental office that has that. It's very important for general dentistry, because the dentist gets to see, the growth in whether it's a child or whether it's, anybody, but they get to see you long term, and they're the ones that know your teeth the best. So they know what's going on with you. They know what your baby teeth look like, what you look like when you were 5 years old up until you're 18. So I think all those things are very important to find in a dental practice. So at North Oaks Dental Westland, we offer that, and we have a lot of long-term patients, families, friends that have been coming to us for years, and I think it's a very important aspect for a dental office to have that, because it has that homey feeling, and they feel like they're right at home, and they know the provider, they trust the provider, the parents trust the provider, the siblings trust the provider, and then they'll refer their family and friends to you, and then that way you create your own little community of patients who know exactly who you are and never have to question your morality or have to question anything that you do. So I think that's really important.